The internal combustion engine, it's a name that might sound complicated, but trust me, it's not. It's a marvel of engineering, a symphony of controlled explosions that powers our world. From cars and motorcycles to lawnmowers and power generators, this engine is the beating heart of countless machines. The basic idea is simple. Burn fuel inside a closed space to create energy. Think of it like a miniature, controlled explosion that happens thousands of times per minute. This energy is then used to power whatever the engine is attached to. It's a beautiful dance of mechanics and thermodynamics, and it's all around us. Let's break down the process, starting with the basic ingredients, fuel and air. Just like we need food and oxygen to survive, an internal combustion engine needs fuel and air to function. The fuel, usually gasoline or diesel, acts as the energy source, while the air provides the oxygen needed for combustion. These two vital components are carefully mixed in the engine. The precise ratio of fuel to air is crucial. Too much fuel, and you get a rich mixture that won't burn efficiently. Too little fuel, and the mixture is too lean, leading to poor performance or even engine damage. Now we have our fuel-air mixture ready to go. But how do we ignite it? That's where the spark plug comes in. This small but mighty component delivers a jolt of electricity that creates a spark, igniting the fuel-air mixture. This spark is the catalyst for a controlled explosion within the engine's cylinders. The timing of the spark is crucial, as it needs to occur at the precise moment for optimal power and efficiency. A well-timed spark ensures a smooth and powerful combustion process. The internal combustion engine operates on a continuous cycle, a rhythmic dance of energy conversion. This cycle consists of 4 distinct strokes: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. During the intake stroke, the piston moves down the cylinder, drawing in the fuel-air mixture. Next, in the compression stroke, the piston moves back up, compressing the mixture. This compression is vital for the efficient combustion of the fuel. Section 5. The power of pistons, from up and down to round and round. When the fuel-air mixture is fully compressed, the spark plug ignites it, creating a powerful expansion of gases. This expansion forces the piston back down the cylinder in the power stroke. This is where the engine generates its power. Finally, in the exhaust stroke, the piston moves back up the cylinder, pushing the spent gases out through the exhaust valve. This cycle then repeats thousands of times per minute, providing the continuous power that drives our vehicles and machines. Section 6. The importance of the internal combustion engine. The internal combustion engine has revolutionized transportation and industry. Its invention marked a turning point in human history, freeing us from the limitations of animal power and ushering in a new era of mobility. This engine has enabled us to travel further and faster than ever before. It has connected people and cultures, fueling global trade and exploration. Its impact on our world is undeniable. Section 7. Everyday examples, the engine in action. The internal combustion engine is everywhere, powering countless aspects of our daily lives. When you drive to work, mow the lawn, or even use a gasoline-powered generator during a power outage, you are witnessing the engine in action. Its versatility and reliability have made it an indispensable part of modern life. From the mundane to the extraordinary, the internal combustion engine plays a vital role. Section 8. The future of the internal combustion engine. As technology advances, the internal combustion engine continues to evolve. Engineers are constantly striving to improve its efficiency, reduce its emissions, and explore alternative fuels. While electric and hybrid vehicles are gaining popularity, the internal combustion engine is far from obsolete. Its future lies in innovation and adaptation, ensuring its continued relevance in a changing world. Section 9. Conclusion, a testament to human ingenuity. The internal combustion engine stands as a testament to human ingenuity. It is a complex and powerful machine that has shaped our world in profound ways. Understanding how it works gives us a deeper appreciation for the engineering marvels that surround us. As we move forward, the internal combustion engine will continue to play a vital role in our lives. evolving to meet our changing needs and driving us towards a future filled with possibilities.